here in Phuket for my vacation, and I'm super excited to see what this place has for us. We've booked a beach resort and there's so much to do here, guys. So I don't even want us to waste time. Let's just get straight into it. So first up was a private live cooking show that I enjoyed so much.
Welcome to breathtaking. My name is Chef Ham. I will be a chef today. Can I show you right now? Are you ready?
Then we went down for a swim because it was scorching.
You brought the days to my nights. I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby you can make my...
Don't wanna take it slow.
Then we decided to get out of the resort a bit and we went to this gorgeous restaurant which had the most beautiful view of Patong beach. We got there quite late, but it was a good choice because it was so hot during the day.
Be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.
Favorite part of the day, breakfast. And we are having fruit, guys, because we still need those body goals even on vacation.
The smell of your hair.
And guys, who has churros for breakfast?
Not me spotting a whole pasta station. I know I said the whole thing about body goals and being on vacation, but I won't judge you if you have your churros for breakfast.
Have a little bit of this.
Okay.
Oh, put it in there. So that it's hot.
A world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
Bacon for my pasta, and I'm so surprised at how fatty it is.
I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. My shopping place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just want a highlight. Ooh wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect.
Outside of all the noise, we found this beautiful romantic restaurant, guys, and we had to have dinner. The fact that it had live music for me just sold it.
Fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me.
Did I mention the food? So I had my burger and I still had some of gift ribs because it was delicious.
We're driving coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise.